You guys ready? Check this out.
Listen, V12 shit the quickest. Swerving in the coupe, little bitch thought we drifted. This ain't no soccer, you know I ain't tryna kick it. I got Simmons on my feet, I guess they liking how I'm dripping. I got bitches that are chicken and they here just for the picking. Why these niggas think they
Yo, what's going on, SteezyJ fam? As you guys just saw, I got the new carbon fiber front splitter that we're going to be installing today. It's going to be a pretty easy install. These splitters are pretty darn easy to get on your front bumper, but I thought I would just show you guys because I know a little bit tips and tricks when it comes to this stuff and just make it a whole lot easier. And this is just going to be a single person job. You don't need anyone involved. But yeah guys, let's roll into today's video. So guys, this is what we got going on so far. Have it jacked up on one side. It is now resting on the front control arm. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this jack and go get the front splitter, and I'm going to put a microfiber towel and just raise it up so that on each side I can see where it's even, and I can go ahead and use my first drill point and get it secured on this side first, and I'll show you guys as I go through this. So guys, check this out. What I'm going to go ahead and do is use this microfiber towel. Guys, I want you to check this out. Look how easy this makes it from just lifting it up. And right now you can look on both sides and go ahead and make your first drill point. And we're gonna go ahead and start on the left side. I think this is exactly where I want it. And guys, look how aggressive that looks. This is gonna look so mean. New carbon fiber on the way. What I'm gonna be using is my drill and these self-tapper screws that I'm gonna be using. And these are just to get it hold in place, and then we can go ahead use the other hardware. This carbon fiber splitter sent me. Check out this little hardware. I'm going to be using this. It also has some washers and screws, but I got 3 self-tapper screws underneath this side. And I made sure that both sides are the same. I can just go ahead, and these are exactly the same length and sides. And what I'm going to go ahead is add another 3 right here, and then we can go add the real hardware. And we're going to want to make this super secure so that this doesn't fall off our car when you're going at high speed. So let's get the more screws installed. Just a bunch of presents, Alright, so I just got the 3 self-tapper screws right there. Got the other 3 on this side, and what we're going to go ahead and do is we can drop this down now. Then now it's getting held up. And we're gonna go ahead and add the screws right through the middle. Guys, this is the best possible way to do it by yourself, so take my word. Alright guys, check it out. New carbon fiber is now installed to the beams. Check it out. Here is the new carbon fiber splitter, guys. Look at how nice and aggressive that makes this front bumper stand out. And guys, this is the 1M front bumper for the E92. And I absolutely love this front bumper. It makes it look so aggressive, and look how much lower that makes it look. The front end looks so low right now. Gosh, guys, and I know y'all have been saying to bag it, and you guys know that I've been wanting bags for a while. Whew, that carbon fiber looks so nice. Guys, carbon fiber makes your car look so beautiful. And I know it's dirty. I just went ahead and wiped down the front so you guys can see how that satin black looks with the new carbon fiber. But I'm definitely going to be washing it very soon. And guys, I also have some of the most aggressive side splitters and the best on the market for your E92. I'm going to be showing you guys those in just a few days when they arrive. And it's definitely going to complete the aero on this car. I got the carbon fiber front splitter. I'm going to be having the side splitters. Can't wait to show you guys those. And I just recently added the carbon fiber rear diffuser So we're gonna have the whole setup, guys. It's gonna look absolutely amazing. I can't wait to show you guys when that arrives. And guys, I also have a lot more parts and plans for this car on the way. I'm just gonna be moving soon, so you guys are probably gonna be seeing that at the new place. But guys, I have some serious big plans for this year, for the channel and for the build with this beams, and possibly a new build for the channel. I don't know, you guys will have to wait and see. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. Till then, we out here.
Listen, V12 shit the quickest. Swerving in the coupe, little bitch thought we drifted.